Welcome to the Photonics Days 2023.
Berlin and Brandenburg is a place to be for photonics and microelectronics. Photonics is in our daily life, it's always present, but it's hidden. It's inside, it's a tool to produce the latest stuff you ever use, so it's always on the edge of technology.
Even though our company is not based in Berlin, it's a very key event for us because the industry comes together, it covers life science, it covers the industrial applications that we're active in.
We are doing research in quantum physics and quantum communication, and I'm here today now to hear the talks.
I was invited to give a talk here at the Photonics Days on the quantum technology and quantum networks that we're developing. We're trying to move quantum technology from something that's purely research more into an applied direction for some real-world applications.
So today I learned a lot of quantum cryptography, weak points in telecommunication and how we can overcome this with new algorithms.
In the Photonics Days, we are nominated as Innovator of the Year for this year. So this is a good exposure for us and the company and the technology.
We bring together businesses, science and research basically. We bring the people together so that they can work in different projects. Startups, if they need a partner, we do that as well.
We had some interesting conversations about the ophthalmology people that were here in the medical sector specifically, because this year we were focusing a bit more on this with our fluorescence microscope.
A challenge for photonics in Germany is that nanofabrication is happening on a different scale here. So I think we really need to invest more into nanofabrication. There's a lot of brilliant students, there's a lot of really good researchers in Germany. And having more access to high quality research fabrication facilities would really help the country.